Welcome to the MathLAB, your interactive space to explore and master mathematical concepts. It is a dynamic mathematical space where you study formulas, understand structures, solve equations, and visualize graphs. To get started, you can access the MathLAB either through the course dashboard or from your school's LMS via LTI link. Open the desired lab from the lab list. Looking for a specific lab? Use the search bar or filter labs based on lessons. In uCertify MathLab, you will find these universal features. Using 3 dots, you can bookmark, rate confidence, and make notes. Click on the side pane on the left to navigate to other labs. Use the navigation bar on the bottom right corner to access accessibility settings and more options. On the right-hand side, you will see your activity details and step-by-step instructions. On the main screen, engage with hands-on activity. Watch how your inputs transform into meaningful solutions, fostering clarity and confidence. Explore, solve, and master mathematics like never before. After completing your task, click Submit to finalize your task. It will be auto-graded. Need help with the task? Click on the Answer tab to view full remediation. Choose Retry for a fresh attempt, or select Reset to clear the lab and start over. When you have completed the lab, click Close button from the bottom navigation bar. Now, from the lab list page, click on the Dashboard button on the bottom right corner to go back to the dashboard and explore other course components. And that's uCertify MathLab. For more help videos, visit www.ucertify.com/support.